Welcome back to Odom Homestead. Today is July the 28th. Let's take a look at them figs. This one right here, there's a king. Pretty happy with it. Second year of being in the ground. Considered when I bought it, it was just a little bitty thing. She is thick and she is producing all kind of figs. Still waiting to tell if them actually gonna ripen or not. We'll see. This year, the gold winner so far. This is brown turkey. She is too loaded. She don't know how to stop putting out figs. She is doing her thing this year. And I ain't mad at you. I ain't mad at you. Here's black. She only got a couple so far. From what I see. There's one. Well, she's pushing out more, but so far just that one. And this one right there, that's a substantial size that we actually might get to taste. The beast is LSU purple. She is just now trying to push out some figs. I don't think they're gonna be ripe in time, but we can see. We'll see. This usually is the first one that produces, but you can see she's just now trying to push out any figlets too. Celeste is just now trying to push out fig. She only got one right there. Pronounced tiger is beautiful. She is beautiful. No figs, but she is beautiful. Look how thick her stalk is. She likes to grow straight up. She had three. She had another one right there. Had one there. I took off. I said, she'll green. She ain't growing that tall, but she's getting thick and looking luscious. There she is. I know this ain't about Myers Lemon, but look at my baby. Golly. Look at my baby. She is doing her thing. You go ahead, baby. I ain't mad at you. Miss Violet, you know, she always stays on my mind. She is putting out figs in clusters. She just got clusters of figs. And we'll see if these ripen in time. Because she's usually very slow about ripening her figs. Now that's that Violet de Bordeaux. And all her loveliness. Looking good. Miss Texas Everbearing, she better come in there, Texas. You know, we thought she was gone. But look at her. She is coming back strong. Let's see if we get to taste some of them. And Miss Reliable right here beside him said Italian honey. You know, yes sir. She always does her thing. I always get to taste her. She's a reliable one. She's very reliable. Yes sir. And that is what figs are setting figs around here. You know, I got to get me a snack. Concords. Very good. Very good. And that's what figs is setting figs around here. Thank y'all for tuning in. Once again, it's Odom Homestead down here in Growing Zone 7B, Tennessee. Growing's my passion. Y'all stay blessed.